Okay, in the last video, we rendered out our After Effects project, and we rendered it out as a .mov file, and it's saved to our desktop, which this is it right here that I created. And so now I want to create a file because the .mov file is not compatible for YouTube. I want to convert it to an MP4 file, which we'll do here now, and we'll use that with Premiere Pro. So let's open up Premiere Pro, and you can drag the file over into your project window here, or you can also go under File, Import, or Command-I, and then find your .mov file right here, and then it should show up here in your project window, and all you should need to do is just drag it, click and drag into your timeline, and then it should just show up here. And if your default settings are all correct, everything should be okay. And then you can just go into File, Export, Media, and this will bring into your export settings, and you're going to have all sorts of different options, but make sure you are in the H.264 setting. That will give us an .mp4. See, if you clicked on something else, it will change the ending file extension here. But make sure you're on H.264, and that'll give you a .mp4. And make sure you know where you're saving it. So save it to your desktop, and then save. And then we'll hit our export button, and this should give you the amount of time that it takes to render it out. I should already have a file after it has already been finished, and it's right here, and it's, as you can see, it's the .game board, and it's a .mp4. So now we want to upload it to YouTube, so you're going to have an account for that. See if I can get this to show up in my window. Here we go. So your YouTube window should look something like this, and there should be like a little camera with a plus. You just click on that and do upload video, and this window here should say select files to upload, and you can just grab your MP4 and then just drag it. So I'm clicking and I'm dragging into this window right here. And then it should just upload it into your YouTube. And then when you get done, you're going to want to, it should give you a URL after it's all finished. And you're going to want to copy and paste that URL into Blackboard. Let's see, do I have Blackboard? And then under Blackboard, you want to go into Assignments and go down to the project and Submit Project here. And under Comments, you can probably do it, and we'll just do a Command V. Whoops. That should be the link. Whatever that link is, and then submit. And that's how you turn in your first project.